Hello, crafty friends. Welcome. Today I'm going to be using a brand new club kit from Spellbinders. I was so excited to hear about this one. It is called the Stencil of the Month Club Kit, and this is a layering stencil. I'm jumping right into the project using stencil number 1. This stencil creates a bunch of hearts, which I'm coloring in with some light pink ink and a little bit of a darker pink to add some shading. And I forgot to tell you that this stencil is called My Love Grows. Let's peel off the first stencil, and I'm going to layer on stencil number 2. These are numbered, so they're very easy to use. I'm going to use some light green ink. I started out with a darker green, and the ink pad was really juicy, so it went kind of under the stencil, but that's all right. I'm still going to carry on with this. I'm going right over all of the leaves. I'm using some Simon Hurley inks. I haven't used these in a while, and I love his inks. Here is stencil number 2. For stencil number 3, I'm using a very small Spellbinders blending brush to color in the stems to the hearts using some teal ink. And this is stencil number 3 is the one that took the longest because you have to get into these very narrow places, but it adds such a pretty touch to this piece. And then for stencil number 4, I'm using the same teal ink, but a larger blending brush. And this just adds shading down the centers of the leaves. And here it is all done. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to pull in the clear stamp and die of the month club kit for the sentiment. There's a giant love stamp in this set, and I'm going to ink it up with some VersaFine Onyx black ink and stamp it right over the stenciled piece. I had to stamp this out a few times, get it nice and dark. Here it is. So pretty. The clear stamp and die of the month club also comes with these cute little hearts that I stamped out and die cut. I'm going to put them right over some of the hearts that I stenciled in. I am going to pop them up with some foam pieces. I stamped out these hearts with some really bright pink ink. I'll put one more right by the E. You take off the release paper from the foam. Put this right over the existing heart. I stamped out a few little leaf sprigs with more of the teal ink, and I'm going to glue these down behind the sentiment that says always. I'm just holding up the always sentiment to gauge where I want to put these. And then my sentiment, I'm going to also pop up with a foam strip, or little mini foam squares, actually. And then I can attach this to my top folding card base. And here it is all done. I just love playing with stencils. I added a few teal gems around the sentiment. This is going to be a fun little Valentine to send out into the mail. Again, this stencil is called My Love Grows, and I'll have the link for it listed in the description box in case you want to check it out. It's been a fun change of pace this December with Spellbinders Club Kits because a lot of them have been Valentine themed, and I love creating Valentine's Day cards. I'll be back again really soon with another video. Take care, my crafty friends. Bye.